Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox 403 authentication failed error. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type here Task MGR, which stands for Task Manager. Simply click on that under the best match. Now you need to maximize the task manager window. Then here you need to simply search in the search bar, Roblox. Make a right click on it, select End Task. Now after you have completely closed the Roblox processes on the task manager, then you just need to simply open it again. And then for the next method in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. In here, you need to type this command, NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, IP config space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar again, type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here you need to look for your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click. Then you have to select Properties. Now here in the Properties window, you need to simply click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Then here you have to click on this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Now simply type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. This is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Click on OK. And then simply close this and close this window. Then for the next method is we need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type here %local app data %. Then you have to click on OK. Look for the Roblox folder. This one, make a right click, select delete. Once done, close this. Then you can also open the Roblox after that. Now, if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. I mean like Apps. Sorry for that. You should click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Then look for Roblox. Click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now once uninstalled, then we need to open a browser. It could be any browser that you have on your Windows. Type here roblox.com/download. Hit enter. Then you have to click on the download for Windows app. The installer file will be downloaded. Click on that, close out of here. And this will reinstall the Roblox for you. So you just have to wait for that and then log in into your account. And that's it. Continue enjoying the game. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.